In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use preset styles in Claude AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the style picker, what the main styles mean, and how to compare outputs so you can choose the tone that fits your task. Start by opening Claude in your browser. Head to claude.ai/new so you land directly on a fresh conversation. This gives you a clean slate and makes it easier to see how styles affect the response without previous context getting in the way. Next, click the plus icon to begin. Depending on your layout, this icon may appear near the conversation list or the message area. Think of it as your starting point for composing a new message. If you already have a chat open, clicking the plus icon simply ensures you're working in a new space where your style choice will apply clearly. Now, look for the option labeled Use Style. Click it to open Claude's Style Picker. This control tells Claude how to shape the tone and structure of its reply without changing the core content of your request. If you don't see the option immediately, glance near the message box or toolbar. It's typically close to where you type. You'll see several preset styles, including normal, learning, and formal. Normal gives you a balanced, conversational tone that works for most day-to-day queries. Learning is more instructional and step-by-step, ideal for explanations, walkthroughs, or when you want Claude to slow down and teach. Formal produces polished, professional language, which is great for emails, reports, and documents where tone matters. Depending on product updates, you might notice additional styles, but these core ones are a reliable starting point. Type your prompt and compare results across styles. A helpful approach is to write one clear prompt, then select a style and send it. After you read the output, keep the prompt the same, switch to another style, and send again. This way, you're isolating the tone as the only variable. Notice how learning expands with clear structure and explanations, how normal keeps things friendly and concise, and how formal tightens language and formatting. If you need to refine, slightly adjust your prompt while keeping the style constant, or keep the prompt identical while changing only the style. The key is consistency, so you can judge differences accurately. When you find the tone that matches your audience and purpose, stick with it for that conversation. That's all there is to using preset styles in Claude effectively.